trying to convert or create a block like this in AutoCAD. So today I'll be teaching you how to create this thing. So what you guys have to do first is um in this corner right here, you guys have to be in 3D modeling, so not in drafting annotation. Okay. You guys have to familiarize this one. So okay. So go to your 3D modeling first and select in this coordinate tab right here. Select top. Okay, so that'll bring your UCS icon to draw on the top plane. So it's basically gonna be in an aerial view or top view while you're drawing it. Okay, so go ahead and draw it. Go to drafting annotation. Draw your doors first. So you guys have to draw your. You have to draw the door first. Right. Okay. So the door height will be 2,100 millimeters. Oh, okay. Interesting view. No, top view. This one. Okay, I can't seem to find. Okay, let's make another one. So door height is 2,100. Door width is 900. That is it. And then have to check the distance. Okay, so that's 900. So take the half of that, offset to 450. Boom, 450, and then offset again. Offset this two sides to 50. One here, one here. Clear. And then we see that offset again to 1050. Boom. Offset again, 50. Offset 50. So there we have it. We have the square thing right here. We just created a square. Now all we gotta do is trim these things right here, on the side. Now after trimming those, we can then again proceed to creating 3D lines or making this door a 3D object. Okay, so this is just a 2D line. We're just creating the design of the door, the front door, okay, in an aerial view. So trim, just trim all of the unnecessary things, all of these right here. Okay. Trim all of the just make sure make sure it's accurate. Slowly but surely. Okay, now we created the design of the door and how we want to make it look like. Now we just gotta add the thickness, okay? We're just gonna transform this into a 3D object. Okay, so to make this 3D, you guys have to change your workspace. So go to 3D modeling. So there. Now in 3D modeling, I'm guessing you guys know the basics. So now you have all of these tools to create a 3D object, okay? So what we're gonna be using to extrude all of this is just press pull, okay? You guys can use extrude or use press pull. Before um press pulling all of these, just make sure that all of them is joined together, because if you press pull an unjoined object, then it's gonna turn this into a surface, not a 3D object. Okay. So I'll show you guys the. So let me explode this. So this is what happens if you guys press pull um you press pull an object without joining them, okay? So that's what happens. Yeah, so make sure all of everything is joined up, guys, before um press pulling this stuff. So just select okay. So since we since this is the Z axis is going up, the letter Z, and we want this solid object to go down, so we're gonna be specifying the thickness going down. So if this is positive Z, this is negative Z, this is positive Y, and going this way is negative Y, positive X is going that way, negative X is going this way. And we want to press pull this object down. So we're going to be doing negative, and then the thickness of your door, which will be um 35. And there, you have the thickness right there. Okay. Okay, so I'll show you guys what happens if, let's say, okay, let's hit copy. Hmm. Okay, so this is what happens if you press pull going up. See, 35. You won't be seeing this these blocks, this style that we just created, right? So that's the reason why you guys have to press pull negative 35. Okay, there. Now you guys can see this. Okay, let's check the thing. So you see right here, there's like a little gap right here. There's a gap. So to create that gap, we still have to create the press pull. So activate press pull. Activate press pull command, and make sure you hover into this line right here. Hover. There. Okay. Press pull. Yeah. Boom. Click multiple, because we're gonna be press pulling all of these boxes right here. Okay. Hit, there, and then click enter. Specify we're gonna be going down, not up. Okay. So negative Z. So negative, let's just say, let's put it on 20, negative 20, and there you have it. So you guys can see the difference. See? So this is what happens when you press pull going down and then press pull going up. See, it's backwards. It says right here. And if you guys want to add materials, you guys just open material, MA, no, uh, materials right here. Just type in material. And then just pick whatever you guys want. Right? Let's say you want some wood in that. Just drag in wood. Cool. And there you have it. You guys have door. See you guys in another video.